this is Keely with Toyota of Keene, and this is the 2020 Toyota 4Runner Limited. The 2020 Toyota 4Runner Limited gets some awesome power specs. With a 270 horsepower 4-liter V6 engine, you get a 5-speed electronically controlled automatic transmission with intelligence. You get full-time 4-wheel drive with active traction control. You get the XREAS Sport Enhancement suspension, and you get a 5,000-pound towing capacity with the integrated towing hitch receiver and the wiring harness. Here on the exterior, you get projector beam headlights with the smoke trim with the auto on-off headlight feature and integrated fog lights. You get 20-inch split 6-spoke alloy wheels. You get the heated power outside mirrors with the turn signal indicators. You get the power tilt slide moonroof with the sunshade. You get 9.6 inches of ground clearance for the off-roaders. You get the in-key remote keyless entry system. And you get up to over 88 cubic feet of cargo space. Here on the interior, we have some gorgeous leather-wrapped seating, a leather-wrapped tilt telescopic steering wheel with audio and Bluetooth hands-free phone and voice command controls, yet an 8-inch touchscreen with premium audio with dynamic navigation and 15 JBL speakers, including a subwoofer and an amplifier. You get your backup camera with the projected path. You get Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, a USB media port, and 2 USB charge ports, and you get the perforated leather-trimmed 40-20-40 split reclining and fold flat second row seating. The 2020 Toyota 4Runner Limited also comes with Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, which gives you some great safety tech, like pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar adaptive cruise control, automatic high beams, and so much more. So, if you're thinking about the 2020 Toyota 4Runner, the Limited might be perfect for you, so come on down to Toyota of Keene, 591 Monadnock Highway in Swansea, New Hampshire, or visit us online at toyotakeen.com. We cannot wait to work with you. Happy car shopping!